So there you go. Let me show you the product I'm going to use to help me navigate my way through this absolute natural silk press transformation. Have 10 treats. So I'm using that ELVIVE and the Tresemme as a heat protectant. I use a bit of mane&tail Detangler because this hair was washed and detangled, deep conditioned apparently the day before. This is my little niece's hair. So although I wish I would have just told them next time, I would tell them not to bother, I would do everything myself. So the detangling session wasn't up to scratch. So I have to detangle it all over again with my mane&tail detangler in sessions. So get all the knots out. I use my blow dryer to blow dry it. As you can see, shrinkage is the devil. Just look at that hair. Last time I have this done for this little girl, it was over 8 years ago. Although she know I do this as my job, but she doesn't really peck me for it. She love her natural hair, but every now and again, when I have time, I'll book her in way in advance. You know, she like the treat every now and again. So I'm really, you know, proud of her that she love her natural hair, and she's not ashamed of it. But you know, this treat is just exactly what it is, a treat. So this is not what she does weekly. So as you can see, this is exactly what I was talking about. They wash and deep condition the hair, but it looks like the flake wasn't rinsed out properly. So there's still some flake going on there. So at this point, I'm just going on with my Olaplex. This is a product where somebody got me to try a few months back. I need to get the full range so I can fully give it a try for you guys. So I put that in. I'm using my Remington therapy, silky therapy, whatever straightener. I've put this. I have to put the temperature on the very highest. Although with the amount of blow drying that have taken place, one pass of this was enough to get me the result, the final result that I was after. So I just carry on straightening it. I kind of wish I put that Olaplex bonding oil before I start blow drying, to be honest with you. I completely forgot I even have that product at home because I'm not necessarily using it for myself yet. I forgot I got it at home. So as you can see, I'm just navigating my way through it. I'm taking it in a very small session. Another thing that was helping me to achieve the result I need here was also the chase method. It is when you the comb go behind the actual hair strands that you are about to straighten. It's just that comb is helping to detangle the hair as you passing the straightener through it. So as you can see here, I am kind of halfway done. My hand is hurting because I mean the amount of heat that was going on my hand is just like unbelievable. But so far so good. I am very, very, very happy with the result I am seeing. My little princess here, she is a mistress, but my sister have done a very good job. If I dare to say, she's been very, very greedy with her gene because she is mistress in color, but her hair is thicker, stronger, more stubborn than mine. So here is the chase method in slow motion. So you put a comb in first and your straightener goes right after it. So that comb is helping you detangling the hair as the hair straightener gliding through. It just helps this hair straightener to glide through in turns. You will achieve a much straighter hair if you incorporate this type of method. So the chase method definitely did help me a little bit. So I haven't got long to go. I mean, I have that very session left. As you can see, that hair is reverting. That is not how the hair was when I first finished blow drying it. It's reverting back before I even finish the rest of the hair. We are finished. I'm starting to see a little bit of smile. She haven't got her glasses on, so she's not quite, you know, she haven't got a clue, you know, what point we are, what her hair is looking like. But then I've given her the glasses at the end of it. I'm seeing a little bit of smile. At this point, she needs a trim. Her hair hasn't been trimmed, not properly by me anyway, in years. Her ends is proper raggedy, just wispy, dry, and just horrible. So I'm going to give her a much needed trim So I'm just gonna go in there. I'm not doing this in any order of any. I just need to make sure all the dead ends are getting rid of. A good 6-inch were gone out of her hair. Although you can see, you still cannot tell that all that hair came out. So I just part it, just similar way I would if I were giving myself a little trim, but a little bit more details because I'm doing it on somebody else. It's much. I can see better what I'm doing, obviously. Duh. So I give her a good, really good trim all around. Her hair was extremely dry. Although that Olaplex oil did help the hair to be slightly more silky feel to it when I finish. But this trim couldn't have come any sooner. So having the type of curly hair that she have, this is the perfect time to have a proper, thoroughly well-deserved trim. If you try to trim this hair when it's wet or damp, you're not gonna get anywhere. The result is not the same anyway. So I was really pleased to be able to give her this trim that she needed. So we're done. As you can see, we are done, and I'm so pleased. What a transformation from where we started to now. I mean, it's amazing. It's absolutely amazing. And she won this hair for a solid 3 weeks. She was protecting it with her life, bless her. When she's going to school, she will add a little bit of what's it called? She was taking umbrella with her, making sure she has some sort of coat with a hood on it to cover it in case it's raining. She managed to hold it up and keep the rain out of it. She wanted that break. So if you have natural hair like she does, I mean, this must feel some sort of a break. It has to be a really good, well-earned, deserved break from constantly battling and fighting with your hair on a daily basis. So she enjoyed it. She's looking forward to our next session. Only God knows how many years before I am able to do this for her. So she's gonna have her glasses on for the first time, and she's gonna see what the outcome has been. And she was very grateful. She was very thankful. And there you go. That is a smile I've been waiting for all through this process. I'm finally getting there. So she was really, really happy with the result. And I'm happy with the result. I hope this video was helpful to somebody. Do give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys on the next one. Ciao, ciao.